Chai tea, unpacking the phrase. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase you might have heard a lot, especially if you love beverages, chai tea. Let's explore what it means and its cultural origins. Chai is a word that originates from the Hindi language, spoken in India. In Hindi, chai simply means tea. It's a term used to describe a specific kind of spiced tea that's popular in India and other parts of South Asia. This tea usually consists of black tea mixed with spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and ginger, and it's often boiled with milk and sweetened. So when someone says chai in the context of a drink, they are essentially talking about a spiced tea. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you say chai tea, you are essentially saying tea. That's right, it's a bit redundant. The reason this phrase exists, especially in Western countries, is due to a lack of knowledge about the original meaning of the word chai. Over time, as chai became more popular in the West, many people started calling it chai tea to differentiate it from other types of tea. It's a bit like saying salsa sauce, where salsa already means sauce in Spanish. If you're ordering this spiced tea in an Indian restaurant or any place familiar with the traditional drink, just ask for chai. However, in many Western coffee shops or restaurants, it might be more familiar to order chai tea or even a chai latte, which is the spiced tea with frothy milk. Remember, language evolves, and while it's essential to know the original meaning, it's also good to be aware of how terms are used in different cultural contexts. There you have it. Chai tea might sound repetitive, but now you understand its origins and how it's used in different parts of the world. Language is a fascinating journey, and understanding the stories behind words and phrases makes it even richer. We hope you found this video enlightening, and the next time you sip on that delicious chai, you'll have a fun fact to share. Cheers!